Good morning, welcome to Integrate 2018. This is the last day of the show and we're here showing the Lumens TapShare. So the Lumens TapShare is quite an interesting little product. You have the receiver here and we have a transmitter. Now what this is designed to do, you can plug this into a TV, it'll work up to 4K, and we have these little pods here. So we can put this down. Now these have a USB, an Ethernet, a HDMI, a mini display port on here, and you can see I've actually got one here with a lightning cable in it. Now what we can do is we can put it down, I can plug my PC into it and I can just click the button and I can cast directly to that and I can extend my screen. So I might have a laptop, I might have a PowerPoint presentation, we come in here, we put it down, I can easily extend my screen, click the button and cast up here to 4K. It has its own 5 gig wireless network already in the unit. We can connect onto your 5 gig network or we can connect to your wired network. So these still need to be powered, but it can be actually mounted here on the table and that can be powered by PoE on your network and have a wired network on there. And that is great for, I suppose, lockdown areas that don't want to use any wireless, because you can have your cables, as I said in earlier, and just plug this in here. You know, someone coming with an iPad or an iPhone, they can click that on there and they can cast to it. We can run up to 4 devices on here at any one stage. The unit actually supports up to 64 devices, and there's a delegation system. So if I'm presenting and someone else wants to tap in, it will come up with a round circle or arrow for me to allow them to come in, and we can turn that on or off. Now I'll show you just how easy this is. I've got an Android here, for example. If I had an iPhone, I could actually just connect onto the wireless, onto the TapShare, put the password in, and all I have to do is no apps, just flick up, go to AirPlay, and go to the screen mirroring, and bang, I'm straight to it. And it's very low latency, and there's one important thing is there's no drivers that need to be installed. So when I'm plugging into either a phone or a Mac or a PC, so that's very, very important for the education market, where they often have the lockdown standard operating environments. So I'll go on here, for example, I will go on there, I've got a little TapShare application for the Android. It's native on the iOS devices. We can connect onto here, we'll connect onto the TapShare, and like my little controllers down the bottom, I'll click onto that and I'll start mirroring. So there's my screen on here, and you know, go on there, and there's my phone, and there's my lovely wife on there, and I can tap out as needed. The other thing which is quite interesting about these devices is we support reverse touchscreen control. So if I was presenting and I had an interactive whiteboard, I might be drawing up here, but it also works from down here, so I could actually do, you know, the whiteboard on here and vice versa. So that's the Lumens TapShare. There's quite a bit more that it can do. Sorry, I'll just turn my phone off there. So get in touch with www.corsairsolutions.com.au or www.mylumens.com.au. Thank you very much.